Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ginger. If this is the first time that you are visiting my channel, welcome. Make sure that you subscribe, comment, and like these videos so that I know to keep making them. Today I have a small haul video, and then I'm going to do a product review. First things, DaisyGreyPretties on Etsy has a shop, and she sells scrapbooking supplies and washi tape. And I received one of her emails, and she was having a 50% off sale. So great prices. I will link her shop down below in the description, and a couple other things that I got that were deeply discounted at Amazon. So first thing is I got 4 sheets of 6x12 cardstock stickers. This one is called Springtime by Simple Stories. And like I said, everything was 50% off. She has the most amazing prices. Of the things I'm going to show you today, I did not pay more than $2.50 for any item. And I think the 6x12s were like $1.80 with her discount. So I got this one, Happy Spring. And also I must say that she shipped my order the same day I ordered it. So I ordered Saturday or Sunday, and this is Wednesday. It came today. So I think I ordered on Monday, and it came on Wednesday. So anyways, this was the first sheet that I got. Next, I got Dear Lizzie. I don't know what it's called, if it's called anything, but these are summer stickers, and it's front and back, 6x12, cardstock stickers. You know, as we prepare for summer and spring, I'm doing quite a bit of crafting this week since we're all on lockdown. Our county was one of the first 6 that declared what they call shelter in place. So you're only allowed to leave your home for essential items. You cannot go to routine medical appointments. They're actually setting it up so most of our medical appointments are done online. So things are pretty precarious. We had our first death in the homeless community today, and my fear of that is it's going to spread rapidly. They are putting the homeless up in hotels, so it'll be interesting to see how that goes. So anyways, this one is called Bunnies in Baskets by Simple Stories. Happy Easter. We have a rabbit, a couple rabbits, a lamb, and then I got 4 of the 12x12 cardstock stickers. This one's You and Me by Echo Park, and I think this during her sale was $2.50. So make sure you go check out her Etsy shop. This one is Party Time by Echo Park Paper Company. And I make birthday cards every month and send them out, so this was a good one. Again, it was only $2.50 with her sale. This one is Summer Dreams by Echo Park Paper Company. So she has the new collections. She has the new collections of the cardstock stickers. And then the last one I got was this one, which is called Flower Market. And it is also 12x12. This is my favorite, I think. because it's kind of rustic. But those are the things I got from DaisyGreyPretties. Now, this I want to share with you. This is a mini precision press for stamping. It is, the stamping surface is 3x5. This is perfect for card making. I'm still very new at stamping, so definitely need a, you know, something to hold it a little steadier. This is by We Are Memory Keepers. I got it from Amazon, and I believe it was like $12.74. I will also link it down below if you are interested. But it's perfect for card making, tags, ATCs, and sometimes I'll even stamp in my planner. So I have not even opened it. I haven't tried it. I'm hoping I can do this. And it also qualifies for Amazon Prime, and I think they're actually getting back on track as far as their delivery times. I ordered it on Monday and received it on Wednesday. But they were really struggling there for a while to with their deliveries. So it is 2 pieces. You have this piece where you put down your paper, and then you have the press that goes over it, and it presses down. It's kind of spring-loaded with these springs on the ends. So I got out a sheet of paper. And then I got out, I'm gonna try it and see what if it's easy or not. As you can see, my stamps are brand new. I have not used them because they're too intimidating to me. So I'm hoping this stamp press makes it a little easier. You can line it up on the press where you want it. And use your ink pad. And I'll probably use a piece of washi to so my paper doesn't move. And then I have this upside down, and then you just fit it on the pegs. Oh my gosh, that's so much easier. Look how nice that looks. So this is definitely what I needed in my life. So yeah, it works perfectly. I think in the near future I will probably get the bigger press as well so that I can have bigger stamping projects. But this right here is perfect. And then you just take your stamp off and clean it. So there you have it. Yeah, this is a win-win. So the We Are Memory Keepers mini stamp press is $12.74 right now. So follow the link down below because I get a little some change for guiding people to the Amazon site to the products I use at no extra cost to you. So that is that. I have some cards that I made today that are drying, and so I'll come on tomorrow and do a project share. And so have a wonderful Wednesday evening. I did a lot of crafting today and reading my book. Actually made dinner tonight. And yeah, so we're on day 2 of shelter in place. And yeah, we just hang out at home. So have a wonderful evening.